Good morning, welcome to my vlog. I'm just gonna show you what I ate and did today on Maui. I visit Maui once or twice a year to visit my sister because she lives here, and yes, it is an amazing place to visit. Every single morning here, I've been starting my day with yoga on their gorgeous deck in the beautiful weather that I'm going to miss so much when I leave in a few days. Now listen, I know I have talked about this brand many times before, but it's only because I truly love their products. I think they've done something really innovative here, and I just love the way they've set everything up. I'm talking about Four Sigmatic. So this video is brought to you by Four Sigmatic, the mushroom people. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, basically Four Sigmatic takes these medicinal mushrooms and makes them very easy to consume, easy to understand, so you can incorporate them into your diet. A lot of us really don't know the potential and the power of medicinal mushrooms, and Four Sigmatic makes it super easy to consume. And the reason I'm really excited about this video is because right now they are doing their Black Friday cyber sale. This is a huge sale and it's going on until December 5th. You can get some of your favorite products for 20 to 50% off, and if you use my link below, you get an additional 15% off, which is like such a huge steal. Today I started out with some lion's mane mushroom stuff, which is basically this awesome medicinal mushroom that helps you focus, and it's very good for brain cognitive function and everything. And I've been writing every morning here. I just get up before anyone is up at 5 because the time difference really helps me out, to be honest. The kids wake up at 7, so I have 2 hours to write. So I drink some of this Four Sigmatic Focus Shot, which I love. It's mushrooms and pineapple juice, and it has a little bit of caffeine. It's like a cup of green tea, basically. I normally only drink about half of this to get the perfect little boost, and really helps me focus. If anyone else is a writer out there, you'll know what I mean, where it's very hard sometimes just to keep writing, and I'm not kidding, this stuff always helps me. I've sent this to some of my writer friends because I love it so much. But I'm gonna show you what I eat and do the rest of the day, and you will probably see some sprinkles of Four Sigmatic mushrooms in all of my drinks and dishes. This is so good. This is my nephew Sandy. Do you want to say hi? or just giggle? If you've never had starfruit, it sort of tastes like a really sweet but soft cucumber. It's like extremely refreshing and hydrating. They're just so beautiful and fun, and they're really fun to decorate like smoothie bowls with or something like that, or even on salads.
Never had starfruit without seeds.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Can I try this? Hey, Scout!
It doesn't need to be.
This is my niece, Scout. Scout, say hi!
Hi.
Say te amo!
Tamo.
Right, here comes my first love, my nephew, Elvis.
I'm eating this one now.
Okay, don't steal all my food. What do you have there? Do you want to show the camera?
There's peanut butter and apple.
Peanut butter and apple.
Wait, I want to get apple and peanut butter too with maple syrup on top of peanut butter.
Then you're gonna have to go ask your dad, because we're gonna start the book. We have to listen. We need to finish The Prisoner of Azkaban before Thursday because we're gonna watch the movie. Are you ready? We're on chapter 18, I think.
No, he's not.
I have one more very important person to announce. This is my sister, my best friend in the entire world, the coolest person you'll ever meet. And I've decided to include what she eats in a day as well.
Hello.
Yeah, we look a lot alike, but we're not twins. What are you having, Ellen?
I'm just having a couple papayas to start off the morning, and then I'll probably have a smoothie later.
Yum. About 9:45 now, and I'm just gonna enjoy this hot drink while I work on some videos and the kids are at homeschool. Ellen, what are you doing? You working? Yeah. Ellen's working too. I'm now going to have second breakfast, which is definitely a thing. Thank you, hobbits. I'm going to make a green smoothie with lots of kale and barley grass juice powder and some other stuff, some mushroom powder in there and fruit. And it's gonna be great for working because fruit, glucose, brain, good stuff. Myself and Ellen some lunch. Gosh, I am just realizing, Ellen, I am making all your meals today. What's up with that? I'm just going to chop up some potatoes and slide them into the oven, probably some cauliflower too. I'm gonna make like a, bless you, like a veggie bowl with, bless you, with avocado and sauerkraut and spices and things and sprouts. Simple.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking. Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision.
Hannah, no, remember when it said Tramping Cuptown Mooney? They were writing to
Wait, what?
Harry. Remember when he had the map and then Snape was looking at it and messages appeared? How did
It's magic. That's the only answer.
and how did the last guy write when he was already dead?
It's just magic. It's like it just insults whoever picks it up if they're not up to no good.
Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore.
I'm not great at making food look beautiful, but this is the best I can do. And actually, it's not that hard when you're working with plants because plants are naturally very, very beautiful and vibrant. Okay,
So good.
what do you think? You know, let's just give an ode to the whole plant foods. You know what I'm saying? Lots of vibrant fruits and vegetables, so beautiful and delicious. They make you feel good.
It smells really good.
All right, we really want to dig in, but wait, we need salsa. Salsa on the side, if you like. It's just like a take on a burrito bowl, but there's no rice or beans, so it's a potato bowl. I love potatoes, you know. What are these? Are these sprouts or microgreens? They're different.
Microgreens are sprouts.
Oh.
Why does the book writers not know that it's so frustrating that they don't clear his name?
It's so frustrating. Sometimes reading books is frustrating because what you want to happen doesn't always happen. But at least Sirius lived. At least he didn't die.
Does he ever die?
I don't know.
Why doesn't anybody believe him?
Because they don't have proof. Peter Pettigrew transformed back into a rat and
Did they ever get Peter Pettigrew either?
I'm not going to tell you. You asked me a lot of questions that would be
Please, just
spoiling
one
all the
more.
plot. Let's go find your mom. Come on.
And then
I don't spoil plot.
We're eating a classic Fisher dinner tonight. What that means is hefty amounts of really good whole plant food, lots of vegetables, and starchy foods to fill you up. What is this recipe called?
This is the coconut curry veggies in our epic vegan food ebook.
This is my favorite ebook of yours, I think. Rice and lentils, and then we're gonna put curry on top, and then we have toppings like tomatoes and I don't know what these are, spicy things.
Oh my gosh. That's so cute.
Bye. Does the Dementors ever die?
How's
I
that?
don't think so.